guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danica and this channel is mainly about a vegan lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a what I ate in a day video. So if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe because I upload every single week. So now let's jump right into the video. I'm always starting every morning with a cup of coffee, so that's just what I'm doing right now. My favorite coffee creamer ever is the Silk almond milk with hazelnut flavor. It is so delicious, guys. You guys need to try it. For my breakfast, I made a berry smoothie. For the ingredients, I used a banana, frozen berries, spinach, vegan protein powder, some hemp hearts, and almond milk. Now I'm just adding every ingredient to this cup that I'm gonna blend in my magic bullet. I added some raspberries on top, and that's it for my breakfast. For lunch, I made a vegan chicken wrap. I'm just starting out by frying some vegan chicken on the pan. The brand that I always use is Gardein. They actually taste so similar to real chicken. I'm sure that you could try to serve that to anyone and they wouldn't taste the difference. Now I'm just adding some vegan cream cheese to a wrap. And now I'm just drizzling some pizza sauce on the wrap. For my veggies, I'm just adding some spinach, but you can add anything that you would like. You can add your veggie nuggets. Now I'm just adding some vegan cheese on top. I use the brand Earth Island. The last step is to fry it up on the pan so that the cheese can melt. If I were to recommend just one recipe that you need to try from this video, it has to be that one. It was so good, guys. Even my boyfriend was like all over it. He loved it, and now it's kind of a staple now in our house. We always make these wraps. They kind of remind me of a pizza pocket. So that's a nice idea for a future video. If you guys want to see that, comment down below and I'll definitely make that happen. I served it with an apple and spinach salad. This is one of my favorite lunch and it is so easy to make, so I do recommend that you try it. For dinner, I made a hearty tomato soup with a grilled cheese. I'm cutting some celery and also an onion to put in the soup, but you can put any vegetable that you would like. Add some olive oil to a pot and cook your veggies until they are translucent. Open a can of diced tomatoes and add that to your pot with a can of water. I decided to add some frozen mixed veggies to save some time. And now I'm just adding a cup of pasta. While the soup is simmering, I decided to make a grilled cheese to go with it. So I used some vegan butter, of course, and I also used some of that Earth Island cheese that I used in the previous recipe. It is one of the best cheese that I ever tasted. Like, I think I like this cheese more than I ever love real cheese. The soup is so delicious and filling, and if you serve it up with a grilled cheese, I mean, you really can't go wrong. I always like soups and grilled cheese, so that's definitely a favorite of mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more because I upload every single week. Also, give me a thumbs up so I know. And I would like to know which recipe was your favorite. Leave me a comment down below so I can read them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You guys like my shirt? It's my favorite TV show, so I pretty much live in the shirt.